Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to reduce high ping on Roblox. If you are facing this issue, just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to fix it easily. First, make sure you are connected to a stable, secure network. If your connection is weak, try moving closer to your router or switch to an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Next, press Ctrl Alt Delete on your keyboard at the same time. It's not visible right now, but you might see one. From there, select Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, click on More Details to expand the view and see all running applications. You'll also be able to see how much network bandwidth each app is using. To lower your ping, right-click on any unnecessary apps and select In Task. After closing the application, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it when it appears. Once you are inside Windows Defender Firewall, select Advanced Settings from the left menu. A new window will pop up on the left side. You'll find options like Inbound Rules. Click on that. On the right side of the screen, click New Rule. In the next window, change the settings from Program to Port. Then click Next. Now, open your web browser and search for Roblox General Connection Problems. Look for an article with details on port settings and open it. Scroll down to the section that mentions the required ports. Copy the relevant information. Return to Windows Defender Firewall windows. Select UDP and paste the copied port number into the provided box. Then click Next. Ensure all the boxes are checked. Then click Next. Name the rule something like Roblox or any name you like. And if you like, add a description. This step is optional. Finally, click Finish. We can also repeat this step for outbound rules, which is a similar process. Once you are done, your ping in Roblox should be significantly reduced. And that's how you can lower your ping in Roblox. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.